to touch the sky. Together we will climb so high. For the young and brave at heart, Savandurga's where we start. Lush greens and views so grand. Adventure awaits, let's join hands. Marching to the beat at dawn, from 6 a.m. until it's gone. Feel the thriller's paths unwind. Spectacular views we'll find. Age is just a number here. 10 to 17, let's cheer.